Why do humans sneeze? Inside your nose, tiny defenders guard your body from dust, pollen, and pepper. When something sneaks in, your nerves shout, "Danger," to your brain. The brain slams the emergency button, and your whole body prepares for launch. Air blasts out faster than a cheetah can run. That giant achoo isn't just noise. It's your body firing a cannon to kick invaders out. Sneezing, the superhero move your nose does every day. Like and follow for more cool body secrets.